Hi, David. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. I have a question for you.
Sure. What is it?
How can we improve our English speaking?
That's a good question. I think the first step is to practice every day.
Even if we practice for only 15 or 20 minutes?
Yes, a little practice every day is better than a lot of practice once a week.
I agree. What else should we do?
We should speak English as much as possible. Don't be afraid of making mistakes.
Sometimes I feel shy because my English is not perfect.
Don't worry. Everyone makes mistakes while learning. Mistakes help us improve.
That's true. How did you become more confident?
I started talking to friends in English. At first, I made many mistakes, but I never stopped speaking.
Did people laugh at you?
No, good friends encourage us. They correct our mistakes politely.
That's nice. What about learning new words?
Learn 5 to 10 new words every day, then use them in sentences.
Is memorizing vocabulary enough?
No, you must use the words while speaking.
What about watching English videos?
That's a great idea. Watch simple English conversations, interviews, and short stories.
Should we watch with subtitles?
Yes, first watch with English subtitles. Later, watch without subtitles.
I also like listening to English podcasts.
Podcasts are excellent because they improve listening and pronunciation.
Sometimes I don't understand native speakers.
That's normal. Listen again and again. Your ears will become familiar with English.
How can we improve pronunciation?
Listen carefully and repeat every sentence aloud.
Is reading aloud helpful?
Yes, read English books, newspapers, or short stories aloud for 15 minutes every day.
What kind of books should beginners read?
Simple storybooks and graded readers are perfect.
Should we learn grammar first?
Learn basic grammar, but don't wait until your grammar is perfect before speaking.
Many students think grammar is everything.
Grammar is important, but communication is the main goal.
I like that idea.
Also, think in English instead of translating from your language.
That's difficult.
It is difficult at first, but it becomes easier with practice.
How can we think in English?
Describe everything around you in English.
For example,
You can say, I am drinking tea. The weather is sunny. I am going to school.
that's easy. I can practice that every day.
Exactly.
Should we keep a diary?
Yes, write a few sentences in English every night.
Will writing improve speaking?
Yes, writing helps you organize your thoughts.